Welcome to dingpongcrate, and today I was trying to ride my motorcycle and this is what happens. Nothing. I'm gonna turn the engine on and this is what happens. So I have a dead battery on my motorcycle and I do have a brand new one I'm going to go ahead and replace. So this is the brand name I'm choosing today, and it is called Weize, W-E-I-Z-E, and it's for this model right here is 2015 CB500X, which is probably works on the other newer model as well. But for this particular for this motorcycle, the model number is YTZ10S, and it's a 12 volt. It's in a tight seal container it came with. So when an Amazon, and I got this one from Amazon, and I paid somewhere around $27 for it, and it came in a nice sealed with the styrofoam and instruction. So you can go like this and line up the acid will leak out of here. So it's a permanently sealed. In the past, I did buy a battery from Batteries and Bulb, and it was like around 110, 120 bucks for it, and they were good batteries, but I sold that motorcycle, so battery went with it. So this one died I think a couple years ago, and I bought it from the AutoZone, and the AutoZone they sold it to me for around 120 bucks, and I only had it for about a year and a half, and it died on me. That's why I had to make a switch. Today's video is going to be, I kind of gambled it and see a Chinese knockoff of battery of $27 summerish can compete the batteries I bought from previous of 120 bucks. That battery compared to this battery, can it do its job? Can it get me from point A to point B is the challenge we're gonna do for this particular battery. So why don't we go ahead and disassemble this bag, the seat up here, and reassemble, or not reassemble, but insert a new battery, and then after that we're gonna do a test drive. All right guys, so my battery is just underneath the seat. So in order for me to open this thing, I must use my key right here to open this thing. And okay, it opens, and then I can pull it back a little bit and take the seat off. Here's my battery compartments right here, and this is the older one. This is the one I bought from the AutoZone for like 120, something like that. What a piece of crap battery. And another thing is stinky about this AutoZone batteries is they only give you like a 30-day warranty thing, which is, I thought that was kind of odd too. And so I think that now I'm not gonna shop over there for just for the batteries and stuff, because I know the batteries in bulk, they warranty for a year. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and make a switch. In making a switch, you're gonna need one of these two for it, and you're gonna need number 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and undo this. Oh my goodness, guys, what's wrong with me? Why can't I turn? There it goes. Take out the negative and the positive. And swiping this battery from old one to new one, it should not take you guys very long at all. You know, maybe the most you stretch it, maybe 3 minutes. So guys, I was able to take my bungee battery wrap, and I have one of these. I made this my homemade tool, and I use this one to take the tube, the inside the gut out. So I figure if I can place that in the metal thing, you know, like this. Sorry about that. My wife had a little emergency, little coughing, and we're gonna go ahead and keep on going. And so basically I used one of these right here, and I just hooked it right here and then push it down. So that made it easier. This one just made it tough to because it keep on slipping. All right, so let's go ahead and swipe the battery by lifting this. All right, so this is my old battery right here, and this is a newer one right over here. And you can do the side by side, and you want to make sure that the negative poles and positive poles are the same. So this is negative, and that's negative, and positive and positive. And so you just want to make sure they're at the right size for it. and the right position for the battery component. And so, but the model number I have told you for a YTZ 10S is the right one for the bike I have. So when you go to Amazon and if you're looking for this brand name for it, then just type in a year and all that, and it should come up for the which model do you need for this particular battery for it. Hey guys, so I have a question for you. So usually when you buy battery from the place, you take it back the old one and you get the new one, and they charge you a core price or something like that. So this case, I bought it from Amazon, and then I got it for much less. And the core battery, I'm not sure what to do with. Do you guys know how to dispose of the old battery? Can I take it back to AutoZone, a place that they taking care of that kind of stuff? If you guys do know about it, please let me know and leave a comment, and I will dispose of it according to the law on that. Meanwhile, I would like you guys to subscribe and to do the like and do all the good stuff you guys do to help me out in my channel. Alright, so why don't we go ahead and install this thing right now? So this is a negative pulse, and obviously the red one is for positive pulse. I'm going to keep that cap on just in case. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and place these batteries right here on the spot. If you guys want to know what this thing is, this is for a battery charger that I installed right here, and it's a slow charge kind. And so in case this thing drains the battery, then I have a side method right here. See right here, guys, can you see that? That is my side one for slow charge battery system. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this one and this one at the same time for it. And so I was able to grab it and reinstall this, but I haven't tightened anything on that. And so I will show you exactly how I did it with this one. And first, we're going to go ahead and take the red cap off, and then make sure that we connect the slow battery charger. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and place this thing right on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this thing right underneath. That's what I did. And okay, done. So let me go ahead and put the cover like that for the positive one, and then I can go ahead and retighten this negative one. Okay, and same thing. Oh, that was easy. Why is the negative always easy and the positive is always difficult? I can go ahead and put that just jumper thingy back to the spot, and I can go ahead and use this thing right here, the tool that I made. I'm gonna go ahead and push it down, and I'm gonna use this to push it in. All right, the brand new battery has been installed, and let's go ahead and put the seats back in. And ta-da! Dun 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 dun! All right, guys. So the new battery has been fully installed, and let's test and see how it sounds. Did you hear that? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah, she's starting right away because no more dead batteries anymore. It's just live. And guess what? That knockoff of Weize battery, the knockoff Chinese versus the one you buy from the Battery and Bulb or AutoZone, compared to those two, I don't see anything different. And guess what? That one costs $27. Other one costs me $130. You do the math and see which one you want to buy. But you guys, as a proof, me installing the new battery for $27, it's not a bad deal. It saves you a ton of money, and hopefully this will last very long time. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching my video, and see you next video. Bye.